Hi guys, this is Cassie Diary. So I just want to show you something quick that you can try if you want to go to the beach. Okay. So I'm going to show you this trick, guys. Take note, and you know what? If you know that you're going to the beach and just want to head out, you need something quick and strong. Those waves will take off the wind. Okay? Let's do this. I can't rush though, so I'll take a rubber band. Rubber band. I think I love moving. Yes, that was the rubber band at the time. Yep. This weight. Okay, this side is done. Hey, the advantage of having. I made this wig actually, and today I think I'm proud of myself. So I'm going to do the next side. I'm going to do the other side. Time is running like I'm behind time. I am so behind time. I'm never on time actually. It's one of the qualities of being me. If you have to go for competitions of being late, trust me, none of you can even beat me. Being late and sleeping, oh my. I'm going to do some baby hairs, then I'll have to wear the net. So remember, we are not yet done. Now we have to secure the wig. That's the point, the whole point of it. We have to secure it. So guys, now I'm holding down the wig, okay? I've put the hair net, I've hold my hair. Okay, now let's secure it. You're not going to make like 30 minutes sewing down the hair. No, we're only going just to secure the important parts. So I'm going to secure only right round, like the parts that I feel like I need to secure so that it won't move when I'm swimming. Okay, these are the parts I'm going to secure only. No need for me to go sit the whole time like having the wigs glued down, being sewn down. No, I don't have time for that. Okay. You guys want to see the back also? Are you interested in seeing the back? I'm just going to, it's just a haphazard. It's not that I'm doing it like with a skill or a style, no. Okay, so it's just the upper part of the wig, the net, the rubber band or whatever, I don't know what to call it. Then that's it. Look, so already now I'm already this part. This one anyone can do it, like just having a wig, you can just secure it down. Then I know a lot of people say, I'll just go and swim with my natural hair. I'm more worried about like being exposed to that salty water, so that's the reason why I'm doing this. For birthday looks in Dubai, it's like, just DM me, I'll give you a number.